Today I'm making some chicken tortilla soup. I've got my 3 chicken breasts in my Dutch oven. I'm gonna let them get brown on each side. I've got some salt and pepper, some garlic powder and onion powder, and some of my chili seasoning that I made in my campfire chili. While that's browning, I'm going to add my onions to one side of it over here. I've got these browning in a tablespoon of canola oil. I've got 1 whole onion. I'm going to let it start getting a little tender. Add some more salt, more pepper, garlic powder and onion powder, and some more of my chili seasoning that I made in my campfire chili. Okay. I want to add a container of chicken broth to it. A can of petite diced tomatoes with green chilies. I use these for a lot of things. A can of crushed tomatoes. And then I've got a can each of light red kidney beans and black beans. I'm gonna give this a stir. I'm going to add about a cup of cilantro. Chopped up. Just stir that around. I love cilantro. Okay, and then I've got 2 limes that I have put in the microwave, so I'm going to squeeze juice out of it. Out of 2 limes. When you put your limes in the microwave or lemons, it brings out the juices. Okay. Stir that up really good. Then I'm going to let this cook. And when the chicken gets done, everything gets done, I'm going to shred it up and then I'll show you what it looks like. Thank you. I'm going to dig out my chicken so I can shred it up. If there's any juice that comes out of these, I'm going to save it. I'm going to squirt it back in there. I'm going to add the chicken back to this. mine spicy, so I'm going to add a tablespoon of diced pickled jalapenos. You don't have to put this in here if you don't like it spicy, but I like spicy. Okay. I'm going to taste it and see if it needs any salt or pepper. Maybe a little bit of salt, but it's really good, really tasty. I'm gonna add a little bit of cumin. I have cumin in my chili seasoning also, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna let it simmer for a little bit longer and then I'll show you how I top it. Okay, I'm gonna fix my bowl. I'm gonna add some soup to it. That looks so yummy. Some chicken. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some mozzarella cheese right in the middle. And then some of these tortilla strips on top of there. And then I got some lime wedges that I'm gonna put on top to decorate. And maybe a little bit more cheese. Looks so good. I'm gonna taste it. Oh man, that's delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today on Stacey's Country Cooking. I hope you have a great day.